Hello, my name is Sam Fox. I'm an AmeriCorps volunteer placed by the Palouse-Clearwater Environmental Institute at the Boise Watershed Environmental Education Center here in Boise, Idaho. I'm going to talk to you about training for becoming a Watershed Watch trainer. First thing we're going to talk about is site assessment. So if we look downstream from the BSU footbridge where we're standing here today, you can see that the river is quite high and is at bank full, and there's not many places where you can walk down to the river and get at the water safely with a group of 5 to 10 people. So if we turn back upstream here at the Boise State footbridge, you can see off to the right there's a big broad open area, and when the river is lower you can see the sand that's exposed that provides even more space for a group to set up and do the physical and chemical water quality measurements. But that sand also is not going to house a lot of macroinvertebrate diversity, so we're going to want to look for a rocky area. So if we look further upstream, you can see another sandbar in the trees, and then a slight riffle just upstream from that. So if the river height is lower, that would be a good spot. Or alternatively, on this side of the bank you can see a little bit of base in the trees, and you can drop down to about knee-deep water. There's a lot of different sized rocks in the substrate that you can pick up some loose substrate material to get a diversity of macroinvertebrate sampling. So we want to sample a general site. It's not so much a specific point in space. Also, if we look upstream, you'll see that these side channels have been activated due to the river height being elevated for the beginning of the summer irrigation season. We want to make sure and sample the main stem, not any of these side channels. So you can pick and choose your spots in your general area and make sure they're the best for success.